So now we'll be talking about sequences. So what is a sequence? A sequence is a list of numbers defined by a rule. And what do I mean by this? So if you consider this sequence where you have 0, 5, 5, 10, 15, 25 and 14, you can observe there is a rule that defines what numbers that will come next in the sequence. And as you can see, the next number is defined by the sum of the two prior numbers. For example, 0 plus 5 will give me 5, 5 plus 5 will give me 10, 10 plus 5 will give me 15, 15 plus 5 will give me 25, 25 plus 15 will give me 40. So now the next term will be 40 plus 25, which will give me 65, and the next term will be what? 65 plus 40, which will give me 105. So a progression in which there is a rule defining the numbers that appear is referred to as a sequence. So let's consider another example. We are told that a sequence is defined by the rule n squared plus 3. Then we are told to find the first term, the third term, and the 12th term of the sequence. So now, for the first term, we know that what my n is going to be equals to 1, because n equals to 1 represents the first term. So here my first term is going to be n squared, which is now n in this case is 1, it's going to be 1 squared plus 3, and that gives me what? 1 plus 3, and that is equals to 4. Now we are told to find the third term. So for the third term, I know that n is going to be equals to 3. So the third term is going to be what? 3 squared plus 3. And I know that 3 squared is 9, then plus 3. 9 plus 3 is equals to 12. And finally, we are told to find the 12th term. So for the 12th term, n is equals to 12. So we have what? 12 squared plus 3. And what would that be? 12 squared is 144. Then plus 3, that gives me 147. Now let's move on to the last example under sequence. So here we are told to find the rule that defines the sequence 1, 5, 9, 13, 17. So now we can see, or we can say that the first term is what? 1. You can see that the second term is what? 5. The third term is 9, and we have continuing downwards that way. So if we look at it and we observe carefully, we can see that there is a difference of 4 between each term, meaning that each term is made up of what? The previous number plus 4. So here 1 plus 4 gives me 5, 5 plus 4 gives me 9, 9 plus 4 gives me 13, 13 plus 4 gives me 17. So now I can write 1 as what? 4 minus 3. I know that 4 minus 3 will give me 1. Now I can write 5 as what? As 4 times 2 minus 3. I can write 9 as 4 times 3 minus 3. So as you can see, if I multiply 4 by the n term, so here I'm talking about the first term, so I'm multiplying 4 by 1 and I'm subtracting 3, I'll get 1. Here in the second term, I'm multiplying 4 by the number of term, in this case which is 2, minus 3, which will give me 5, because 4 times 2 is what? 8 minus 3, which gives me 5. 4 times 3 is 12, minus 3, which gives me 9. So as you can see, I can write it in this form. So in general, I can write that the nth term, or the nth term, is given by what? 4 times n minus 3. So now let's try, or let's experiment what we have gotten to see if we are correct. So now let's try to calculate the fifth term. So the fifth term will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is 17. So let's try to use our formula to calculate the fifth term. So the fifth term will be equal to what? 4 times 5 minus 3, and that gives us what? 20 minus 3, and that gives us 17. So as you can see, our answer is correct. So this expression 4n minus 3 is the rule that defines this sequence. So that sums up all we're talking about in relation to sequence.